Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about ACOS versus TACOS, what every Amazon seller should know. Let's get into it. ACOS and TACOS are two of the most important metrics Amazon sellers need to understand when running ads. These numbers tell you how much you're spending on advertising to generate sales and how that advertising cost fits into your overall revenue. Many sellers get caught up in ACOS alone, but without understanding TACOS, you might not be seeing the full picture of your profitability and business growth. ACOS, or advertising cost of sales, is a direct measurement of how much you're spending on ads to generate a sale. It's calculated by dividing your ad spend by your ad revenue. For example, if you spend $30 on ads to generate $100 in sales, your ACOS is 30%. This metric helps you understand the efficiency of your advertising campaigns. A lower ACOS means you're spending less to generate sales, which is typically ideal for profitability. However, a higher ACOS isn't always bad. It depends on your strategy. Some brands are in a growth phase and are willing to run ads at a higher ACOS to acquire new customers. Even if they're breaking even or taking a slight loss on that first sale, the goal is to get customers into their ecosystem where they might return and make additional purchases. On the other hand, if a brand is focused on maximizing profitability, they might aim for a much lower ACOS, ensuring that each sale is as cost efficient as possible. When setting ACOS goals, it's common to start at around 40% and then optimize over time. If your campaigns are consistently hitting that goal, you can start lowering it to 35% or even 30% to improve efficiency. ACOS isn't a fixed number. It's something you adjust based on your advertising strategy and business goals. Now, TACOS, total advertising cost of sales, is where things get more interesting. Unlike ACOS, which only considers ad-attributed sales, TACOS takes into account your total revenue, including organic sales. It's calculated by dividing your ad spend by your total revenue. For example, if you spend $30 on ads but generate $300 in total sales, your TACOS would be 10%. TACOS helps measure the long-term impact of your advertising. A high TACOS indicates that you're heavily dependent on paid advertising to drive sales, which can be risky. The goal for many sellers is to reduce TACOS over time, meaning they are generating more organic sales while spending less on ads proportionally. A healthy TACOS often falls between 10 to 12% for brands focused on profitability, while those aggressively scaling may have TACOS in the range of 20-25%. A key factor in managing both ACOS and TACOS is understanding your cost of goods sold, COGS. If your advertising spend is too high compared to your margins, you may be cutting too deep into your profits. Knowing your COGS allows you to set realistic advertising targets, ensuring that you're not just driving sales, but actually building a sustainable business. A common mistake sellers make is focusing too much on ACOS while ignoring TACOS. If you only look at ACOS, you might pause or reduce ad spend on a campaign that appears expensive. But if that campaign is contributing to increased organic sales, lowering TACOS, it might actually be helping your business grow. This is why both metrics should be analyzed together when making advertising decisions. Optimizing ACOS and TACOS isn't a one-time thing. As your brand grows, your goals will shift. You may start with a high ACOS to push for growth and then transition to a lower ACOS and TACOS strategy to focus on profitability. Continual adjustments are needed based on performance, market conditions, and your business objectives. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.